my MTV. 24 hours a day on.
Good evening, America. Tonight we have found a chilling story that your cellular device might be rotting your brain.
Oh snap! Looks like mom and dad are gonna prematurely need glasses with all the eye strain. Isn't that right, Taylor?
Oh, that's a good one, Tyler. That is so good.
Anyway, back to you.
Back to you with the weather.
My MTV. Yeah, too much is never enough.
Like the Prince of Bel-Air, we're funky and fresh. We're gonna put your digital mind to the test. When's the last time you woke up and felt your best? Cause you got those pixels all up in your chest. Like Cher Horowitz, I'm clueless. All this digital tech, it's useless.
The brand new 1998 iMac. Make sure to buy one for your very. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen, the brand new Nokia 5110. Yes, I can't wait for you guys to see this product.
Oh, wait. The brand new
Sega Dreamcast. Make sure you guys get one real fast. It's a great gaming material. New Tamagotchi pet you can have keep in your pocket with you. The new Nintendo 64. This is gonna be off the hook. The Sony PlayStation brand new
Nintendo
gaming.
64.
The Motorola Star Trek. It's the best cell phone. Better than the Nokia 5110.